Hello, everyone. My name is Adam. Welcome to the United States English Channel. In today's lesson, I will talk about a very simple and very common daily life topic. Our topic today is the bus stop. Please relax. Please listen carefully. This lesson is made for A1 English learners. The English is easy. The speed is slow. The sentences are long and clear. Every day, many people go to a bus stop. A bus stop is a place where people wait for a bus. People use the bus to go to work. People use the bus to go to school. People use the bus to go to the market. I also go to the bus stop every day. The bus stop is near my house. I walk to the bus stop in the morning. It takes only 5 minutes to reach the bus stop. When I arrive at the bus stop, I stop walking. I stand still. I look around slowly. I see other people waiting. Some people look sleepy. Some people look busy. Some people look relaxed. The bus stop has a sign. The sign shows the bus numbers. The sign shows the bus routes. There is also a bench at the bus stop. Sometimes I sit on the bench. Sometimes I stand near the sign. I usually arrive early. I do not like to be late. I check the time on my phone. The bus does not always come on time. Sometimes the bus is early. Sometimes the bus is late. When the bus is late, I do not worry. I understand that waiting is normal. I stay calm and patient. The weather is very important at the bus stop. On sunny days, the light is bright. I feel warm and comfortable. On rainy days, I carry an umbrella. I stand carefully and avoid water. On cold days, I wear warm clothes. I keep my hands in my pockets. I hear many sounds at the bus stop. I hear cars passing by. I hear birds in the morning. I hear people talking quietly. Some people use their phones. Some people read messages. Some people listen to music. I like quiet moments at the bus stop. It gives me time to think. It gives me time to relax. The bus stop is a place of daily life. It is simple. It is common. It is important. I usually wait for the same bus every day. The bus number is 10. This bus takes me to the city center. The city center is busy. Many people work there. Many shops are there. I use the bus because it is easy. I use the bus because it is cheap. I use the bus because it is comfortable. At the bus stop, people stand in a line. People wait politely. People respect each other. I like to stand quietly. I do not push. I do not rush. After some time, I see the bus from far away. The bus is big. The bus is moving slowly. The bus comes closer. The bus stops at the bus stop. The doors open. People get on the bus one by one. I wait for my turn. I step inside the bus. I say hello to the bus driver. The bus driver looks friendly. I pay for my ticket. I keep my ticket safe. Inside the bus, I look for a seat. Sometimes I find a seat. Sometimes I do not find a seat. If I find a seat, I sit down quietly. If I do not find a seat, I stand carefully. I hold the handle. I keep my balance. The bus starts moving again. I look out of the window. I see roads. I see buildings. I see people walking. The bus stop is now behind me. But tomorrow I will come again. Let us talk more about waiting at the bus stop. Waiting teaches us patience. Waiting teaches us calmness. Waiting teaches us respect. At the bus stop, people come from different places. People have different lives. People have different stories. Some people go to work. Some people go to school. Some people go shopping. The bus stop connects people. It brings people together. I like watching people at the bus stop. I learn about daily life. Sometimes I see children with school bags. Sometimes I see old people with canes. Everyone waits for the same bus. Everyone shares the same moment. The bus stop is not just a place. It is a part of life. Now let us practice some simple sentences together. Please listen carefully. I am at the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus. The bus is late today. The bus will come soon. Please repeat after me slowly. I wait every day. I use the bus every day. The bus stop is near my house. Good job. Listening practice is very important. When you listen every day, your English improves. Do not rush. Go step by step. This lesson is for beginners. This lesson is for A1 learners. You can listen again tomorrow. You can listen again next week. Practice makes you better. Thank you for listening to this long lesson. Thank you for giving your time. My name is Adam. This is the United States English Channel. See you again in the next lesson. Take care and keep learning.